Hello and welcome to another fast and fun video. Rich here. This week we're taking a look at the Z3. Had a problem, under braking, typical steering wheel vibration. Checked the pads and the inside pads have completely walled through onto the disc. So this video is going to take a quick look at how to replace pads and discs on your Z3. Relatively simple job. I think jobs like this, if you can manage to do them, it really does bring the cost down of owning these cars. Rather than take it to a garage, even a specialist, probably going to charge you £60–65 an hour. It's going to be probably an hour each side, couple of hours, may take you 3 hours, but you're going to save yourself £100–150 probably in labour cost of doing it. Basic tools you need: obviously jack, axle stands, basic tools, breaker bar, a few rags, gloves, etc. And then the pads and discs themselves, I've just gone with Brembo from Euro Car Parts, £94 for the front, both pads and discs. I mean, brilliant value. These are the pads, I don't know how we can see them. So they're the pads we're going to be fitted today, and it's just a plain Brembo disc. £94, and then probably 2 or 3 hours of doing this. Step-by-step guide. So let me show you. First of all, I'm just going to whip the, whip the wheels off first. Get the car jacked up, whip the wheels off, and I'll take it from there. So that's that side done. As I say, it's literally 4 bolts, the little grub screw for the disc itself, and a spring for the brake pads and the wear sensor on. However, in good home mechanic tradition, it doesn't all go so simple. So actually, the other side was really, really difficult, and I'll show you why. So just come to the other side. Right, so now we're down in the near side driver's side. New disc is on, which is great. I've gone to put the piston back into the caliper, and the piston is stuck. It's almost in, but not quite. I've actually put the pads in, but the gap's too close. It won't go over the disc at the moment, so that piston's got to be recessed further into the caliper. It will not go. I've tried numerous tools now, including the G-clamp. It will not go any further. I pumped it out with my brake. I pumped the brake pedal a few times to bring the piston back out, and then I've gone back in again. It looks okay, but there's clearly something wrong with the caliper itself. Not unusual, it has to be said, for cars now. This car's, what, 20 years old? So I'm going to have to go to plan B. It's incredibly frustrating when these things happen, but you've just got to expect or accept that they will do. So I've got to replace the caliper. Now, most shops, with a bit of research I've done, most shops you can buy sometimes the company's new, but they are reconditioned calipers. And then once you take your old one off and you give it them back, you get some sort of money back as well. I don't know, I've not looked at the actual cost yet, but I'm not expecting it to be a huge cost. It's just more of an inconvenience because it's going to delay me by 1 or 2 days until I get to buy one. So the simple couple of hours job for doing pads and discs, it's not going to be that simple now because of this stuck piston in that driver's side caliper. There we go. Another journey into owning one of these cars. I say this is the first time I've worked on the Z3. I'm sure there were many other things during 2022. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, thumbs up, subscribe, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.